Today we're diving into a major development that has taken EU leaders by surprise, and the reactions across Europe are louder than ever. What happened? Why did it shock officials across the European Union? And what does it mean for Europe moving forward? In this video script, we'll break it all down in simple, clear, and short paragraphs so that every viewer can follow the full picture without feeling overwhelmed. Let's get started and explore exactly why this moment has captured global attention. In recent weeks, EU leaders have been faced with a series of unexpected decisions and responses that caught them completely off guard. These developments weren't just small adjustments or minor policy shifts. They represented a deeper change in the way certain member states are approaching the EU, their responsibilities, and their political interests. Whenever a nation within the EU takes a step that challenges the usual expectations, it instantly creates debate and concern, and this time the reaction from officials was even more intense because the move was not anticipated. What makes the situation even more striking is the pace at which events unfolded. EU officials are accustomed to long discussions, careful planning, and structured decision-making. So when something sudden happens, especially something that shifts the direction of the conversation, it naturally forces leaders to reconsider their strategies. This surprise has led to long meetings, urgent consultations, and quiet but serious conversations happening behind closed doors in Brussels. The issue has also triggered public responses in different European countries. Some citizens agree with the surprise action, seeing it as bold and overdue, while others worry that it might destabilize the unity that the EU relies on. And this public division is exactly what many leaders try to avoid. The European Union works best when its members move together with a common plan, and when one country takes a step that disrupts that rhythm, the balance immediately shifts. People are now asking what exactly caused such a strong reaction among EU decision-makers. A large part of it has to do with timing. Europe is currently dealing with multiple challenges, from economic concerns to immigration issues and political disagreements between member states. At a moment when unity is needed most, an unexpected decision naturally raises alarms about whether other countries might follow a similar path. Another important reason for the surprise is that this development highlights a growing trend of member states prioritizing national interests over collective EU goals. While this kind of tension is not new, the firmness of the recent action sent a strong message. It signaled that some countries are slowly becoming more independent in their decision-making, even when it contradicts the broader European direction. This shift leaves EU leaders wondering how strong the Union will remain in the coming years. Some analysts believe that this moment could mark a turning point in European politics. The EU has faced many tests in the past, from financial crises to disagreements over migration policy. Each time, leaders managed to find a way to compromise. But this time feels different because the surprise move highlights deeper disagreements that have been growing quietly for years. And now, those disagreements are becoming more visible, forcing leaders to respond quickly. The reactions have been varied. Some EU leaders expressed disappointment, saying the decision could weaken cooperation. Others chose a more diplomatic tone, stating that they respect the right of each member to make its own choices but still expected more coordination. But behind the polite statements, there is a real sense of concern. When one nation acts unexpectedly, it often inspires others to do the same, and that can create political waves that spread across the continent. Many experts are now debating the long-term consequences. They are asking whether this moment will push the EU to strengthen its internal rules or whether it will encourage member states to renegotiate their roles within the Union. No one knows for certain which way things will go, but one thing is clear. The EU is entering a phase where unity will be tested, and leaders will need to find new ways to maintain stability. The surprising action also raises questions about the EU future direction. Should member states be given more freedom to make independent decisions, or should the Union enforce stricter guidelines to protect unity? This debate has existed for years, but now it has returned with new energy. Whichever path Europe chooses will shape its political landscape for decades to come. In addition to political consequences, economic concerns are also part of the discussion. Whenever a major decision catches officials by surprise, markets react. Investors begin to wonder whether policies will remain stable. Businesses start to question whether new regulations will appear. These kinds of uncertainties can slow growth, and that's the last thing Europe needs at a time when it is trying to strengthen its economy. Public reaction has been equally important. Social media across Europe has been full of opinions, debates, and predictions. Some people believe the surprise was justified, arguing that individual nations should always have the freedom to protect their own interests. Others insist that the EU must function as a united body, especially when dealing with global issues. This clash of opinions shows that Europeans are deeply invested in how the Union operates. For EU leaders, managing both political and public reactions has become a delicate task. They must respond firmly enough to show that they are in control, but not so harshly that they create deeper divisions. It's a balancing act that requires skill, patience, and diplomacy, especially now when every statement is closely watched by citizens, journalists, and international observers. One of the most interesting aspects of this situation is how quickly it became a story of global significance. Nations outside Europe are paying close attention because any major shift within the EU affects international politics, trade, and diplomatic relationships. Europe remains one of the world's most influential regions, so instability within it can create ripple effects around the world. The unexpected decision also highlights the growing challenge of trust within the EU. In any political union, trust is the foundation that holds everything together. When a member acts independently without informing or consulting its partners, that trust can weaken, and rebuilding trust often takes much longer than breaking it. This is why EU leaders reacted so strongly. The concern is not just about the action, but about what it could mean for future cooperation. At the same time, some observers argue that this moment might not be entirely negative. They see it as an opportunity for the EU to reconsider how it works. Maybe some rules need updating. Maybe communication channels should be improved. Maybe the Union needs a fresh approach that allows more flexibility while still maintaining stability. In this sense, the surprise could act as a wake-up call. The situation has also sparked conversations about leadership within Europe. Strong leaders are expected to maintain unity, anticipate challenges, and guide nations towards shared solutions. But when surprises occur, it reveals how difficult that job really is. It shows the limits of planning and the reality that not everything can be controlled. It also highlights the need for leaders who are adaptable and capable of handling fast-moving situations. As more details emerge, it's becoming clear that this development will remain in the public and political spotlight for quite some time. EU leaders are now analyzing how they can prevent similar situations in the future. They are exploring whether the Union needs new frameworks, clearer communication, or stronger agreements to avoid unexpected actions that disrupt cooperation. Despite the challenges, Europe has shown resilience in the past, and many believe it will do so again. The EU has survived difficult moments because its members ultimately understand the importance of unity. Even though disagreements arise, the benefits of staying together remain greater than the costs of dividing. This shared understanding has been the backbone of the Union for decades. However, the fact remains that the surprise decision has introduced a new level of uncertainty. It reminds leaders that the political landscape is constantly changing and that they must remain prepared for sudden shifts. It also signals that citizens across Europe want their voices heard, and that governments may be responding more directly to national concerns than to broader EU plans. As Europe moves forward, leaders will need to address the underlying issues that led to this moment. They must listen to their citizens, strengthen cooperation, and ensure that the EU remains united even when challenges arise. The road ahead may not be easy, but acknowledging these concerns is the first step toward finding solutions. This event also highlights the importance of communication between member states. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings, reduce conflict, and promote unity. When communication breaks down, unexpected actions become more likely. That's why EU leaders are now emphasizing the need for better dialogue and closer coordination. Looking ahead, analysts expect that several policy discussions will intensify. Questions about migration, economic strategy, border control, and national sovereignty will become even more central. Each of these issues is complex, and finding common ground will require patience and compromise. But these discussions are necessary for Europe to move forward with confidence. The unexpected decision has also placed pressure on the EU to modernize. Some argue that the Union's structure was designed for a different era, and that new challenges require new approaches. Whether it's technology, security, or diplomacy, Europe must adapt to remain strong. This situation might inspire some of those changes. Citizens across Europe are now watching closely to see how leaders respond. The outcome will influence public trust and shape political debates for years. If leaders manage the situation well, they could strengthen unity. If they struggle, divisions may deepen. This is why the next steps are so important, both for the EU and for its member states. Even as discussions continue, one thing is absolutely clear. The EU is facing a moment that could define its future direction. Leaders must remain calm, focused, and committed to cooperation. The surprise may have created uncertainty, but it also presents a chance for reflection, improvement, and renewed unity. In conclusion, the reaction of EU leaders shows just how significant this moment is. It caught them by surprise, challenged their expectations, and reminded them that political landscapes can shift quickly. Whether this leads to stronger unity or more internal tension will depend on how leaders respond in the coming weeks and months. What happens next will shape Europe's political, economic, and social environment for years to come. And as always, we'll continue to follow the story as it develops. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this script or found it useful for your video, make sure to stay connected for more updates and explanations. Stay tuned for the next one.